Digital Innovation Zone is the first EDIH, European Digital Innovation Hub in Northeast Romania region. It has been founded 5 years ago, and we are proud to say that we are now in our second operating stage. We have been again funded by the European Commission to be EDIH for the next 3 years, and we have been also awarded the STEP seal for important strategic operations. So we do have an important role in digital transformation, but this role cannot be accomplished without partners, without programs, without solutions that we are exposed at and we can bring and scale towards other organizations in our region. And one of these examples of partnership is indeed Merit program. Other examples of partnerships are the way we integrate our insights from different programs that we are running, understanding what the organizations need, understanding what are the priority sectors. For example, we are focusing on healthcare, or we are focusing on manufacturing, we are focusing on creative industry, but also on public institutions. And what do they have in common? Of course, they have a first layer of awareness about technology and understanding and learning about it, and this is supported via a set of targeted learning programs, and some of them can be taken out of Merit project as well. The second layer is understanding the business strategy or the organizational strategy, or supporting them understand and develop a strategy that is aligned with the digital goal of their sector and the digital goal of Europe itself. And we are also doing that. The other layer is exposing them to more targeted solutions, so developing some proof of concept solution involving technology that are either automatizing some activities or are changing dramatically into good what they are doing. And of course, the fourth layer, which encompasses all, is how do I get to fund this? It's a good idea, it's tested, it's feasible for our organization, we have learned a lot, we have trained our people, but how do I get this implemented into practice, into long term? And this is again the role of an EDIH that we are operationalizing. It's to support organizations access funding, either via public funding or other type of organizations, investors, venture capitals, or even understanding if there is a funding strategy for all. And again, we believe that Merit program and the Digital Euro program itself that is funding these advanced digital skills solutions is very relevant for supporting EDIH work, because without awareness about technology and without people that are able to use the technology and being trained formally or informally to do it, the rest of the pyramid cannot happen. So thank you, Mary.